I'd say lick my boot, but you'd probably enjoy the salt. Try walking on this. Try to catch this. Called the Food Network Primate Plating Perfection.
Fuel up, fuzzy athlete. Guess lunch is served. Wake up call delivered. Where's the star? Try anything funny? You trying to poison me, you cheeky bastard?
This stone's got the heft to make a reinstatement.
Feel the wrath of a bored visitor, punk.
Check this thing out. Ouch!
One treat, zero expectations. Lick my boot, animal.
Monkey got a camera.
Eye level with my socks. Enjoy the view, short stack. Sniff my socks. Intentional or a fluke? Hope that mangy fur pads the damage. Selfie time. Get that tail in frame. Dangle, dangle. No grab for you. Can I get in?
Not your
Monkey just
toy,
grabbed
buddy.
that person.
Ooh.
Down goes the tourist. Lights out. Let him go. That bird never stood a chance. Found the enclosure. Now let's see some classic monkey hijinks. Escape route? Any route. Let me in! Let me in! Let me test the bars. Free concussion, no refunds. Planned or random? Get out and face me. So, no informational sign and no monkey. Mystery, sweet mother of monkeys, that's rancid. Everything checks out. Candid shot unlocked. No filters needed. Between bars beyond grasp. No. Ooh. Ooh.
I felt that impact from here.
Who left the cage door open?
Catch this in your stupid face, furball.
Hey, buddy. Somebody, anybody show me the exit. Just arrived. Please cue the... Oh,
Keep
come
those
on.
furry mitts
This was
to
my only
yourself.
clean shirt.
Hey, catch.
Wait, I thought these would be made of soap. Don't do that! Ah!
Ooh. Catch me if you can. Who's the clever one now?
Ooh. Ah.
Security, now!
Who left the cage door open?
Ah, behold the resident primate. Let's observe its morning routine in peace. Check out the rear view. I wonder if I can get in. Try to touch me, stupid animal. Let me in! Let me in! That hurt.
Oh.
Ooh.
This enclosure... Munch time.
This is why I don't skip leg day. Yum, chow down.
Huh. Minimal decor. Very avant-garde jungle chic.
Catch or dodge, your call.
Check out the rear view. Can I get in? Try to touch me, stupid animal. Catch of the day. Hope you're hungry. Dangle, dangle. No grab for you. Bad bite, worse aftertaste. Yak.
Miss it again, pal. Get out and face me!
Ah, finally reached the monkey zone. Show me some mischief. Feel the wrath of a bored visit.
One nibble and my soul tried to escape.
Fire monkey unlocked. This is what happens when banana peels wish upon a star.
Was that just luck? Hold still. This one's going on the gram.
Hi. Bullseye or bust. Here it comes. Let's see that thick skull earn its keep. How do you like it?
Get out and face me. Sharing snacks, instant best friends. Eye level with my socks, enjoy the view, short stack.
Snack secured.
I get to walk outside on the tasty treat.
The monkey won't pull me in, right?
Stupid animal.
Monkey plus brick equals bad architecture.
Bullseye or bust. Swing again, I dare you. Try to touch me.
Oh, fresh faces. Who's in this habitat?
That hit the spot. High paw. Damn it. I'm hosing chunks thanks to your crap cuisine.
Was that a lucky grab or deliberate genius? One treat, zero expectations.
Come on, wave back. Chat, look. Break time's over. Time for bruises.
Take this freebie. No strings, no fleas. Simple stick. Can I get in? Woo! Catch me if you can. I get to walk outside on these.
Wow, that monkey is bad.
Not paid enough for this. Look, it's the limited edition.
Tour guide said action-packed. I see.
I am scared. Next to fling, and I'm calling biohazard control.
Look fun. Dangerous, but fun.
I'm starting the wave. Your turn. Consider this a blunt force eviction notice.
Munch time. Ouch!
Get them out fast. Say hello to my pitching arm of doom.
I'm pretty
Why does it feel warm? I did it mean?
That look fun. Dangerous but fun.
I'm kinda jealous of the one in the cage.
Yum.
Get them out fast. I'm hoping for a spontaneous grooming session. Always a social spectacle.
We need help. Oh no! Blunt force diplomacy coming right up.
Call the zookeeper.
Oh no. Help! Let's see those reflex. Oh!
Oh!
Somebody cue the cartoon Tweety Birds. Ooh, imagine being outsmarted by a steel. Oh! Ooh! Ah! Call an ambulance, but not for me.
Who put human on the exhibit list?
Call a zookeeper. Exit strategy. Scream and sprint. I want out.
Call a zookeeper. Hey there, little guy. Well, hello. Bet you can't evolve fast enough to dodge this. My bum-bum. My sweet bum-bum.
It acts just like my mom.
No.
Delivery via express, Pearl.
More, please. Look at that. A monkey seizing a camera is a moment meant to be captured.
Let's drift toward the aquarium tunnel and chill with the sharks.
I am kinda jealous of the one in the cage. Ouch!
Where's it?
Why?
Ooh. Whoa, monkey's got a killer hook. Mommy!
I should help them, right? Note to self, never underestimate primates.
Try standing upright without looking confused.
It's out
Ooh.
cold!
Ah.
Oh no, they're out cold! Rear view, enjoy it! camera, really? Catch me strutting! No tail required! They clearly need help. I should help them.
Roll call. One curious visitor, one curious critter.
Try to catch this.